Hi everyone, I'm going to be reading Don't Push the Button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. I said don't push it. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. 1, 2. Ah! Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost a little more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes.